Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP here on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate all your support. Make sure to leave a like on the video, it really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we're just taking a look at XRP, as I said, on the daily time frame here. For some time we have been waiting for XRP to start moving to the upside after this very clear break and retest of this bear market resistance. You can see the previous bear market, bull market, we did reach a high of around $2. You can see the resistance that we've been stuck under here, and then with that massive pump that we did see and break out with the SEC case essentially being won by Ripple Labs, we saw XRP basically 2x in price, followed by a massive dump to, it's basically a breakout backtest of this level here, getting down to around 45 cents, which is also this Fibonacci level. As you can see here, there are no coincidences. We pretty much perfectly bumped all the way up to the 618, rejected all the way back down, triple back tested that 0.23 Fibonacci at 45 cents, and now realistically looking like the break and back test is looking on like it's on. Currently at around, what is this, 57.5 cents, heading up towards that 0.38 Fibonacci at 60 cents. And we'll see what happens next. I mean, on the weekly time frame, this is going to be even more apparent. Really, this is just a clean breakout backtest, and now looking like we're probably going to head back up, considering that Bitcoin is doing extremely well at the minute. We could see ourselves heading back up towards this previous swing high at the very least for XRP over the next few months, provided that Bitcoin doesn't have a huge correction and massive bull trap. You can see here we're probably going to have ourselves at least testing this 60 cent level, heading up towards the next Fibonacci at the 0.38 at 75 cents as well, and then obviously the 618 being the big key resistance to be getting back up above. You can see if we could get above this level here and start back testing this whole area of structure here and doing something like this, we'd probably be heading back up towards that $2 level pretty damn quick. But right now XRP looking very nice indeed on the daily time frame. Really still does need to be clearing these levels of resistance here that we did get stuck under previously. Obviously if we can get above this level here and above this level here, then we'll probably see ourselves heading in quite a nice uptrend. But everything dictated heavily by Bitcoin right now, and if Bitcoin does start to dump, you know what's going to happen next. Overall, I'm confident that XRP will do well long term and probably end up decoupling, especially with the official winning or settling of the lawsuit for Ripple Labs. But right now we are just chilling and waiting to see what happens next. Overall, I'm feeling good about XRP for the long term, and we are very excited to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you all very much for being here. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think is going to happen next, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.